I'm Alice Carter, and I live here in Corvallis. I've been here for almost 3 years. I heard about the Peace Corp from John F. Kennedy on the radio. I had 4 kids, and I had no college degree, and I thought, I'm already disqualified, but that's what I want to do someday. So I happened to go up to visit a friend in Vermont, and we went to a party where there were a lot of 1960s Peace Corps volunteers, like people my age who had done it when I wanted to do it but couldn't. And there was a recruiter there, and so I went right up to her and I said, "What's the age limit for the Peace Corps?" And she said, "There's no age limit." I went, "No age limit." And I went home and got on my computer and applied immediately. I got a letter from the Peace Corps saying that they had accepted my application and that I was going to be sent to Morocco. And my Peace Corps doctor, he would look me over every week toward the end of service and say, "You should go home," because he could tell I was struggling to stand up straight and struggling to walk. Finally, the pain in the hip was really bad enough for me to understand it's the hip. So I went to Dr. Ryan, and he told me that I needed hip surgery because there was no cartilage left in the hip. And I'd never had a hospital experience like that. It was really perfect. My whole life isn't about what's happening to me medically or surgically. It's the work that I'm doing in Housing Action for the homeless, the work I'm doing at church. I feel that having more mobility will make it possible for me to work better and also to work for the community better. So I'm looking forward to being the bionic woman. After the knee is done, I'll be able to roller skate.